guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are interested in finding out how I created this high textured curly haired puff, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, just keep on watching this video. I got you. Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be taking these little 2-strand twists that I had in for a couple days and turning them into a textured curly high puff. So if y'all ready to see that video, then let's go. First thing I want to do is unravel these twists, but I want to go ahead and add oil to my hands. That way I'm not unraveling or touching my hair while it's dry. So we're going to add about that much oil, and I'm just going to rub it throughout all my twists. Not sure how many twists I have in my hair. I just sat here and was watching a movie and started twisting these things up. Left them in overnight, and so this is the next morning. Oh, let me tell y'all, I do have my headband that I'm going to be putting around my hair, already around my neck. That way when I finish unraveling the twist and go ahead and form my afro, I'm not messing this up by trying to put this over my head after all of that hard work is done. I have the oil in my hair. I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner as well, just about that much, because I'm not about to re-wet my hair, or I don't want my hair to be wet, which is going to cause my hair to shrink. So I'm trying to get as much length out of my hair as I can, but just keeping it moisturized and conditioned at the same time. One more thing I'm going to add is my favorite handy dandy Blue Magic grease with Indian hemp. Now I did say that I love this stuff. If I haven't said it in this video yet, I say it in all my other videos. This channel will be using Blue Magic grease for every hairstyle we create. Alright, so just starting from the back, I'm just going to untwist these 2-strand twists. Not doing any fluffing at the moment. We're just going to go ahead and get them untwisted and get them unraveled. And I will probably speed up this part of the video, so don't y'all worry about anything. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned, and I'll come back when all of these are out of my head. Alright, so now we have all of our twists unraveled. We're going to go back in, and then we're going to pull the 2-strand twist apart again in 2. So we're going to create 4 new sections to create more volume to our hair. We love big hair. So y'all sit tight. Alright, so now we have our hair completely untwisted. The next thing you want to do is go in with your pick, and you're going to fluff at the roots only. Do not pull the pick all the way out to the ends. You don't want to lose all this amazing definition. Alright, so now that my hair has been picked all out, we're going to go ahead and put our headband on. So you can leave the hairstyle like this if you don't want to put it up in high puff. You can just put it in a textured afro. So don't think you can't do nothing cute with y'all hair, y'all. Even if you have problem areas like I do, still get creative. So we just want to create a puff formation. And I'm going to separate the hairs here and kind of comb them back and brush these forward. So we do have alopecia edges, so this hairstyle is alopecia friendly, and it's very beginners friendly. So if you're just looking for something easy and simple to do to your hair, but you're still struggling with hair issues, go ahead and try this high puff. And we're just going to bring our headband up over our earrings because I love big hoops. I'm just going to place that right at the top of the head and put that behind our ears. I'm going to go ahead and slide that up in the back just a little, not much. And slide this back a little. And that's just going to help conceal our edges just like this. And guess what? No one will ever know. You can go ahead and gel down your edges if you'd like. I like to just keep them nice and wispy like this. Just give the texture around the hairline. And I like to bring just some more hair forward. And that's just gonna help conceal your edges. And I'm gonna go back in with my pick just to give it a final fluff. Just so I can get as much volume out of my puff. Let me zoom in just a little. Remember, do not pull the pick through your hair. Just fluff the roots only. All right, and there you have it, y'all. This is your textured, curly, high puff. Think about this hairstyle in the comment section below. Go ahead and let me know too if y'all like the natural lighting. All right, y'all, this brings us to the end of this video. If y'all like this content, very easy, very simple to do, and very beginners friendly, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys again in my next tutorial. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe.